Thank you for checking out this video. Thank you for visiting my channel. My name is Rochelle and I help people to grow an online presence. This video is part of a number of videos that I am doing to feature Facebook business pages and also the Facebook Creator Studio. In this video, I will be showing you how to create your Facebook page, how to add your business name, choose your categories, make a description, and then click on Create Page. Just the facts. Let's get into the video. So the best way to be able to create a Facebook business page is on your laptop or desktop. You can use your cell by going into the browser and choosing the desktop setting on Android. Make sure you are signed in to your personal account, and the difference between a personal account and a Facebook page is a Facebook page is specific to either your products that you are offering or a different idea or theme. And here you will see this plus sign where it says create. When you click on this plus sign, you will see post story, life event, page. You then tap on page. This will then open up. And here you will see page name, category, and description. If you are using the Facebook, and I am using the Facebook dark mode, you will see the create a page, your page information. You will put your page name, and your page name will tell the people what your page is about. As an example, I am using Creating Ebooks for Dummies. If you have a physical business, say you have a barbershop, or if you have a lawn care business, then you will name your page according to what your business is. Category is very important because this is the categories that people will be able to find your business under. And to choose a category, and I always keep a record in my notepad. Okay? To find a category, if you are in the lawn care business, you would start typing in lawn and see if anything comes up. You will start typing in the first 3 letters, and here you could see I typed in bar. There's bar, barbershop, barbecue restaurant, bar and grill, bartending service. If you type in C, you will see the C information coming up. If you don't see what you are looking for in here, the category is not available. D, digital creator, discount store, DUI service, dog walker, E, e-commerce website, e-cigarette store, education, estate planning lawyer, F, food and beverage, florist, food delivery service, film director, And this is how you would find your category. And this is very important because when people are searching, they are going to be looking for a category that describes what type of business, organization, or topic the page represents. And here I have my 3. You can use your notepad. Each category has to be put in by itself. So you can say personal blog, or you could say blogger. And I am blogger and digital creator and publisher. This is my category, your category where you will be found under. When you create your description, you make sure that you have your category keywords in here. And here I have, if you are a blogger, digital creator, or publisher, creating ebooks for business is important. This page will feature up-to-date and relevant content on how to create an ebook in the fastest, easiest, and most cost-efficient way possible. Your description can contain up to 255 characters. And here you will notice your title will appear here, and your description will appear here. And this is before you start creating your page. And here it says, write about your business, what your business does, the services you provide, or the purpose of the page. Character limit 255 characters. And then you will then click on Create Page. Now you can add your profile picture. Creating a Facebook business page is a very large topic to cover. So I've broken the video into smaller sized videos. If you have found this video helpful, then please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel so you will be notified of the next video that I post, which will be creating your profile and your cover. Stay safe and have a wonderful evening.